Ka Sarkar Jila Kadangsa ban Myntreikam yaga Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme wat hadian ka Khatsan Slem nadu bala Myntreikam bat pli yaka na kaliang Myntri katanat PHE ulaong ba ka Jingbamla ban Myntreikam kadai na kadaw ka Jingyo jaka ka Jingpyntreikam Jingbet na kibabon ki Sarkar pa ka Jingkyu kidor kimor kibala Slem ban Slem ban Myntreikam yakane ka project Myntri katanat PHE Marcos and Marak ulaong ba kakam kalastang yai Myntri katanat PHE Marcos and Marak ulaong ba kakam kaladang yai Henry kidangdon kibasa kum ka Jingpyntreikam Jingbet na katanat PWD katanat forest bat kiway pat kitanat ladep ban pendep Henry kakam ai jaka napo kahima mau plang kadangsa Henry ka Jingyakren halor kane kakam ai jaka kaladang yai ka Jingpyntreikam Jingbet na kibabon ki Sarkar pra ka Jingkyu kidor kimor kibala Slem ban Slem ban Myntreikam yakane ka project Myntri katanat PHE Marcos and Marak ulaong bakakam kaladang yai Henry kidangdon kibasa kum ka Jingpyntreikam Jingbet na katanat PWD katanat forest bat kiway pat kitanat ladep ban pendep Henry kakam ai jaka napo kahima mau plang kadangsa Henry ka Jingyakren halor kane kakam ai jaka kaladang yai
Shillong Water Supply Scheme. So that is still ongoing. The work is still ongoing. There are some issues still pending, needs to be resolved. Some of the problems, as I have already talked to you before, some of the issues have already been resolved. Like some clearance needs to be done from PWD department that we receive from the PWD department and from forest also and from cantonment board also. But then still some of the problems which is lying with the Himama plant is still there. So we are still on the process of negotiations. So hope we will get it done soon.
What is the bone of contention with Shillong plan, sir? The problem?
Bone of contention in the sense, they have several issues. They need some employment. So government has agreed, cabinet has already passed this, and then chief engineer has already issued a letter back for the cabinet discussion, and we are just awaiting their applications now. They have to submit the list of candidates whom they want to give government jobs. So department is ready. So once we receive, we will give the appointments.
What was the amount escalated from the previous estimate? Amount.
Yes, we have gone for the revised estimate. I'm not remembering the exact amount, but I have done the revision during my tenure. So it is already revised, that is true.
So what it took many years now, almost?
Yeah, it's almost, it started from 2008. So it's quite a long time.
So what is the reason from the beginning?
So many reasons I have told you, that number one is Himama plant issues. They need to provide a lane for the second pumping set. The second pumping set will push the water to treatment plant. So that space which we need, Himama plant has to give that.
But why it was not resolved that time?
No, there were several issues. Not only that issue with Himama plant, there were issues with PWD. There are several crossings in the PWD roads. For that matter, we need to get the clearance from the PWD department. Now we got that.
Well, these are not new issues. I mean, these are
Not
been
new
there.
issues,
So why
not
it took
issues.
long time?
See, every time we started negotiations with different stakeholders, different new issues come up, and which is why it's delaying. It's delaying till now also.
But has the process of pipe laying been completed, sir?
Yeah. In almost all the zones, there are I think 12 or 10 zones. So those zones have started. Some of the zones have completed. Some are ongoing. Because of the delaying of the work, they have requested for the thing. Last time revised estimates, which we have agreed. And then now some of the works are completed. Only the pumping set has to be installed, and then once it is installed, it will be completed.
What about the laying of pipes in the stretch of this upper Shillong? Because with the Shillong Daki route coming up, uh, has that part been completed, or you have
It's
this?
still going on. It's still going on. You can see the work going on there.
So, in terms of percentage, how much work would you say? How many percent work has been completed?
Distribution side, some of the works already completed. Some are at 90%, but some I have to go back to the records now. I don't have the figures with me right now. So therefore, work is progressing.
Yeah, but in percentage
And
overall.
yeah, that papers I don't have with me now, so I don't want to give you the wrong numbers. No?
Okay, so can we say
This
it's at
land,
a.
which the Himamaplang is yet to give NOC, what is the area of land?
I think it'll be around 2-3 hectares.
But,
Not
would-
much.
but don't you think this amounts to holding the government at ransom?
That's what I'm also wondering. I'm also trying my level base, or engineers are trying level base, but they keep on increasing the demands. Though, what can we do? We don't have any options. So land is with them. We don't have any options, but we are still negotiating.
But their main demand is for appointing people in government jobs.
Yes, so far that was the main, and then for that matter, government has already agreed. Cabinet has already passed in the cabinet meeting, and then we have sent the letters to them to submit. Till now, they have not submitted. It's been, I think, how many, 3-4 months.
How
They have not
many people are being
If I'm
appointed?
not mistaken, around 20 plus, I think, 20 plus people.